Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TECLAST T60 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen like here. All we have to do right now is to enter the settings, which should be in this upper panel. So let's tap on them and we will be immediately transferred to the languages. This is the list of the languages we've got currently applied. We've got only English. So let's tap on Add Keyboard and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards. You can scroll and find, or you can simply enter the name of the language you'd like to use and tap on it after finding. Now we can choose the keyboard layout, and the amount of them depends on the specific language. Sometimes you will have only one and sometimes even up to 7 or 10 different layouts. So just mark the option and tap on Done, and as you can see, we just successfully added the language. Before I'll show you how to remove the previous one, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with more than one language is added. So let's come back, and here we've got a new thing, a new icon, which is a globe icon, and this one will allow us to change the layout. So right now we've got English, and after tapping on it we've got Urdu one. What is more, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. It is especially useful when we've got layouts which are really similar to each other. Alright, so now let me show you how to remove the language. Simply enter the settings, and here in this section, tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language you want to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.